Taha Convent School CBSE curriculum. Assalamu alaikum student. Subject Max. Topic long and short. These are the some objects which are long and short. Today we will learn about length. What is meant by length? Length is the shortest distance from one end to other end of its object. How to measure the length of an object using the different parts of our body. Measuring the length using the body parts. When in the earlier days, people using the body parts like their hand, their foot or forearms to measure the length of an object. When the palm of hand spread out, the distance between the tip of the little finger and the tip of the thumb is the span. The distance between the elbow, the tip of the little finger is the cubit. The distance between the big toe and the end of the ankle is the foot span. The distance covered single step while walking is a pace. Every person's hand, feet and arms are of different sizes. Hands, when the different people measure objects using their hand, feet, arms, each one will get different measurement of the length. So solve this problem, a standard system measurement is introduced. Standard unit of length is like meter, centimeter and kilometer, using a ruler to measure object. So let's start.
Student, today our concept is long and short measurement. Okay, we have a different instrument to measure the object. Now we have scale to measure this small object. Okay, now we are having these scales in our school also, right? So this scale has a small division. Okay, this scale has a small division. See here, 0 to 1. In between we have a small line. Can you see in your scale? Can you see in your scale? 0 to 1, in between you have a small line. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here having a 10 lines. So that is a millimeter. Okay, that is a millimeter line. So 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. Okay, student. So in between 0 to 1 is a centimeter line, and this is 10 lines in between having, that is a millimeter line. Okay, and now you can see the small starting from 0 to, I have a scale with me, it's going to 0 to 30, and in this case 0 to 8 having. So this centimeter is representing, so we are write cm in the short form. Centimeter short form is cm. So we can use this scale to measure the length of different object. So let's start. Okay. Now see the length of this crayon. So I place crayon here 0 to see the length of this crayon. What is the length of this crayon? Yes, I placed here 0 to, yes, it's going 8. So it's a 8 centimeter. Okay. Now next we will see the glass. What is the length of this glass? So place your rulers here. 0 to, yes. See the length? Yes. 9 centimeter. Now next, bottle. Place the bottle. So it's going the length 25 centimeter. Now next is spoon. See the length of this spoon? What is the length of this spoon? 12 centimeter. So children, the small object you have to measure in this ruler only. Okay. So 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. So all the small object, we have to use this small ruler only. Now next student, now start. So what about these long things? What about these long things? Like table, door, car and clock. So how you will be measure? How will you measure? These are little longer things. So we cannot measure in a small ruler. Okay. So we need different instrument to measure this. Okay. Measure these things. So we need a long meter tape. So this is called meter tape. Okay children. This is a meter tape. So we have to measure in this tape only these things all. So this tape is this instrument is called meter tape. Now this meter scale is 1 meter long. This meter is represented M. Meter is represented M. Okay. And so this longer this we have to measure in this tape only. Meter tape. Okay. If you have long cloth. So if you go to the shop, if you want to buy the cloth or anything, so how the tailor will measure, how the shopkeeper and tailor will measure your cloth? In this tape only. See, this is a meter tape. 1 meter, 2 meter, 3 meters. So you will measure in this tape only. So student, these are the little longer things. So we have to use this measure tape to find out the length. Okay. So here 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. Okay. So like a table, door, car, cloth or window. So we have to use this tape to measure. Like your board also. So blackboard. So you can measure in this tape, meter tape. Okay, this is a meter tape. Understood? Now student, what about this longer object? Longer distance. How longer the quantity? There are some longer length which are very long. More than what we can think. Like distance from home to school. Like distance from home to airport. Like distance from ice cream parlor to your school. Home to park. Like this. That are the distances. So how we will measure? Now this distance is measured in kilometer. Kilometer. This is short form of kilometer, short form of km. So we have kilometer for a very long measurement. So we can know that 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. Now, okay student. So this is a short form of km. So we have to measure the distance from one place to another. So we will use kilometer. Okay. So now we have done centimeter, meter and kilometer. Okay. Now student, now what I am going to do this. There you have a different object and you have to do and check which is measured in which of these 3 units. Okay. Come on, first one. A bottle. A bottle can measure in, yes, ruler. It will come in centimeter. Length of a car. Length of a car is longer. So we have to measure in meter. Home and playground. Home to playground, there is a distance having. So we have to measure in kilometer. Matchstick, small things. So centimeter. Leaf, yes, centimeter. Window. Yes, it is little long. So you have to use meter tape. Pencil. Yes, come in centimeter. Yes. So student, we finish this chapter.